Good morning, Princeton Panthers, and welcome to another Together Tuesday. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. This week, again, I believe your work is very simple, so I'll just give you a one pointer, maybe two, on today's work. But I do have a joke for you, and I like this joke because of the answer. What is a cat's favorite color? Purple. And I like that because my favorite color is purple as well. All right, so let's get right into it. Right now we are rounding and we're going to use the number line, which is kind of an easy tool. It helps you see what number you should choose easily. So the first one says round 471 to the nearest 100. So it's either going to be 400 or it's going to be 500. So the first thing I would like you to do is go ahead and make a mark halfway. And that would be on 450. All right? And the easy rule for rounding using a number line, if the number that you plot is to the left of the halfway point, you didn't even get to halfway yet, you would round it to this 100, which would be 400. If the point you plot is past the halfway point, then you would be closer to this 100, which would be 500. So the first thing I'd like you to do is mark the halfway. Now let's go back, 471. Well, that's not quite on our number line, so I'm going to get close to, there's 470. I need 471. I know that that would just be one more dot past the 470. So you look at it and say, okay, have I passed the halfway point with my point? Yes, I have. I would not want to go all the way back here because I would have to go through 470, 460. I'd have to go 71 numbers backwards to get here. Here, I'm at 471. I would only have to go 29 numbers to get to 51, or 29 steps, opposed to the 71 steps. So if I'm rounding this to the nearest 100, I am much closer to 500 than I am to 400. And I'm going to scrunch up my sheet a little, and I'm going to go ahead and write 500 total. All right? It's a very good visual for you to actually see what number is my number closest to. So I'm not going to do the next one. I'm not even going to do the next one. The third one down, you are in the thousands. 3,458 would be either 3,400 if rounded to the nearest 100, or is it going to be 3,500? So once again, you're going to find the middle of the road. The middle of the road always has the 50 in it. 3,450. That would be the middle. When I plot my point, if my point is here, I am closer to this number. If I plot my point and it's past the halfway point, that means I am closer to this number. So I'm going to let you do that one by yourself. And the last one, be careful because you are not rounding to the nearest 100. You are rounding to the nearest 10. So you can see they're counting by 10. 730, 731, 32, 33. They're counting by that one because your number is either going to be 730 or 740 because that's the last number. It's in the tens place. And I believe that's all you have to do for today. So please use the number line. Use the middle of the road to help you. And you'll be done in no time. So I will see you Thursday when we will be doing some graphing. Adios.